Don't want to mess up my lipstick. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. So today's video is going to be on this look here. I wanted to do like a soft cut crease or like a half cut crease with like, you know, pinks and stuff, since it's like almost Valentine's Day. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the eyes. I already did my face off camera because I wanted to just focus on the eyes today. I'm gonna do like a pink look since it's like for Valentine's theme, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the the Scarlet Dusk palette, and it looks like this. Pretty pink colors in here. I do like them. So I've never used this palette. I did get this in my BoxyCharm. I think it was my January box, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette, and then I'm gonna also, oh no, my freaking nail. Keep in there. Also use the Celestial Thunder palette. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. I also did get this one in one of my BoxyCharms. Now I don't remember which one, but I did get this one. So I'm gonna also use like the pinks in here and see how it goes. I'm trying to do a cut crease, like a soft cut crease or like a half cut crease. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna take the shade Pink Moon. Okay, no, actually I'm gonna take this one, Lotus. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. So this is shade Lotus and Aurora. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade here. It's like a mauve pink type mauve color, or is that the color? I don't know. I suck at describing. And I'm gonna use my NYX brush. I actually did like this one. So I'm gonna just go ahead and apply that, and this is gonna be like my transition shade. And see how this looks turns out. Honestly, I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing, like at all. I actually like this shade. And I'm just applying this one on my crease. I forgot to mention that. My cat and my dog are in the room, so you're definitely gonna hear both of them. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with the next shade, and I'm gonna do Pink Moon. This shade here. And also apply that on the crease. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Dreams, and this is by the other palette. This is the Celestial palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with this one and darken up the shade, or my crease with the Bahama shade. Guys, and you don't have to add all these colors. You really don't. I'm just being extra. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go in with the Sangria shade. So that one is a little bit darker. It's like a maroon type shade. Yeah, it's darker. Okay. And just apply that on the outer part of my lid like that. I'm gonna go ahead and get some concealer and then just do a little bit of a cut crease, just a little tiny one. I'm gonna get a little bit of this is like a lip one, I guess, right? For like lipstick and stuff. I got a shit ton of these, so I'm gonna get that and just apply that because I don't want to go in straight from the tube with the concealer and fuck shit up. So I'm gonna do Aurora, and then I'll do Maui. So Aurora, Maui, and then probably a little bit of, wait. Okay, so Aurora, Maui, and Aruba. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so then I'm gonna just go, then I'm gonna go ahead and just go in and do my bottom lash line. And then with the sangria, I'm not taking it all the way in, just here in the outer corner, like that. Okay, so then what I'm gonna also do is get a little bit of black liner and just applying that in the inner corner. And just apply that on my waterline. For the inner corners, I'm gonna get a little bit of Aruba and apply that on the inner corners. Okay, so I went ahead and did my lips off camera because I ended up using a different lip combo. I did use the the iconic London lip gloss, but I paired it with the Dose of Colors, Dose of Colors Nude Moon. This is like a little bit of what the fuck is it called? This is a little bit more of brown nude, and then the other one was a little too pinkish for this look. I feel like it was just like clashy one day, so I didn't want to do that. So I did pair with this, and that's how it turned out. I did also do my lashes off camera as well because I totally forgot about those. And then I set my face with the Makeup Revolution setting spray. The calming setting spray. So I think, yeah, that completes the look, guys. I do want to thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.